Hi, I'm Joe Wachowski. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the electrical wiring in a recessed can light. In an earlier video, I showed you how to install a remodeling recessed can light and attach it to existing can lights. And the existing can light I was attaching to was also another remodeling can. Well, the situation may be different if you have a can light that has been installed with new construction and attached to 2x4s. So it might be a little bit more difficult to have access to the electrical wiring. As you can see here, this is a new construction can light. It is attached to the 2x4 studs, and you can get access to the electric by pulling this plate off. And then you can attach your new wires to this existing light. Now, if you're in a situation where you have soffits installed, or maybe you do not have access to an attic, how do you get to this box to attach your wiring to your new can light? You can access the wiring through this side of the can light. What you have to do is remove these 3 screws on the can and pull the housing out, and then you'll have access to the electrical wiring. I'm going to use a stubby screwdriver and take the 3 screws out. Now you can lay this on the side. You can let it hang there. You now have access to the electrical wiring. Reach in, pop the tab at the top, pull the can, and now you have access to the wiring. Connect your new wires to the existing from the new can. Once you have your wiring installed, slide the plate back in. It's hard to do with a camera in your hand. Snap it into place. Reinstall the can. Reach through. Slide that through. Line the screw holes up. You want to put it back in the oblong screw holes so you can adjust it. Tighten it back up. I'm going to bring this out so that the can is flush with the drywall, so it's not sticking out. But when you put the baffle on, it'll cover up the opening. Alright, that's how you get to the wiring in an existing recessed can light. I hope this helps. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Also like me on Facebook. Until next time, thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more how-to ideas, visit my website at www.doityourselfwithjoe.com. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button to keep up to date with future videos. Also, visit and like me on Facebook.